So again, you see this little plus sign in the denominator and you get super jazzed about that because that looks very, very similar to tan inverse of x. And so the rule that you have is du over a squared plus u squared is equal to 1 over a tan inverse u over a plus c. So again, before you start plugging it in, you have to identify what your a and your u and most importantly, what your du is going to be here. So you're starting with the integral of dx over 25, which you could of course write as 5 quantity squared, plus your 16, which is 4x quantity squared. Okay, so from that rewrite, it becomes clear that a is equal to 5, u is equal to 4x, and then your du would be equal to 4 dx. And that's where you hit a little snag here because it's not just dx, it's 4 dx. So we have to multiply in by a 4, and then when we multiply in by a 4, we'll have to divide by a 4, okay, on the outside of the integral. So we're still going to use a and u, but there will be this multiplying in by the 1 over 4. So this will become 1 over 4. And that 1 over 4, just to be really, really clear, that 1 over 4 comes from the multiplying in to get your du. Then you will have the 1 over a, so that's 1 over 5, tan inverse u, which is 4x, over a, which is 5, plus c. And then you can multiply these fractions straight across, get 1 over 20, tan inverse of 4x over 5, plus c as your integral.